In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Fivers to Metatrader 5 in just 5 minutes. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, having the right tools and setup is crucial to your trading success. Let's dive right into it. First, the initial step is to log in to the Fivers. If you're not already a member, don't worry. You can quickly create an account by visiting their website. It's a simple process, and once you're signed up, you'll gain access to all the resources you need. Next, you need to navigate to the Downloads section. This area contains all the necessary files you'll need to start your integration with Metatrader 5. It's crucial because the Fivers service exclusively supports Metatrader 5, often referred to as MT5, making it essential to have this application ready for your trading activities. But don't fret about compatibility. Metatrader 5 is versatile and available on several platforms. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, Linux, or prefer to work directly through a browser extension, MT5 has got you covered. Make sure to download and install it on your preferred platform if you haven't already done so. It's quite user-friendly, and the installation process is straightforward. After installing MT5, go ahead and open it. You'll want to focus on logging into your trade account. To do this, look for the File menu on the top left corner of the application. Click on it and then select Log into Trade Account. This step is crucial as it opens the door to the trading world inside the platform. Now, you'll need your trading account details at your fingertips. Enter the login ID, password, and the server details, which are provided by the Fivers. These details are unique to your account, so handle them with care and make sure they are accurately entered to avoid any login issues. Sometimes, users can't find their server in the initial list. If this happens, no need to panic. Simply go back to the File menu, but this time choose Open an Account. In this section, you're allowed to search for your broker if they're not immediately visible. Once you locate them, pick out the correct server from the list provided. And there you have it. You've successfully connected the Fivers to Metatrader 5. This setup ensures you're ready to navigate the financial markets with ease, leveraging the resources and tools offered by the Fivers combined with Metatrader 5's powerful features. Remember, a well-connected system is essential for seamless trading. So ensure everything is set and double-check your connection each time you plan to trade, as it can save you time and help you avoid potential disruptions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!